In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Pocket Option to Cash App. We're going to move funds by sending a withdrawal from Pocket Option directly to your Cash App card. That card is a Visa debit card linked to your Cash App balance. So once the money lands on the card, it appears in Cash App. Before you start, make sure you actually have a Cash App card, it's activated, and the name on the card matches the name on your Pocket Option account. Also check your available card limits and any regional restrictions so you're not surprised by a decline. Open Pocket Option in your browser or the official app and sign into your account. Give the dashboard a second to load, then head to the Finance section. This is where Pocket Option keeps all balance-related actions. Inside Finance, select Withdrawal. You'll see the methods that are currently available to your account and region. Because the Cash App card is a Visa, choose the Visa withdrawal option. If you sometimes use other methods like e-wallets or crypto, that's fine. But for Cash App specifically, Visa is the straightforward path. Take a moment here to review any fees, minimums, and expected processing times shown on the screen, since these can vary based on your account status and location. Next, enter your payment details exactly as they appear on your card. For a Visa withdrawal, that typically includes your card number, the cardholder, name, expiration date, and other requested fields. Type carefully and double-check each digit. Small typos are a common reason for delays. Use a secure connection and only enter this information on the official Pocket Option site or app. If your card or account uses additional verification, have those codes ready. Once your details are in, confirm the withdrawal. Pocket Option will submit the request for processing, and you should see an on-screen acknowledgement. You may also receive an email confirming that your request was received. Processing can take some time depending on your card issuer and Pocket Option's queue. Keep an eye on your withdrawal history inside the Finance section to track the status. When the payment clears, it should arrive on your Cash App card and reflect in your Cash App balance. If you don't see it after the stated time frame, verify that your card is eligible for withdrawals, check for name mismatches or limit issues, and review any messages from Pocket Option. If needed, contact support for either service with your transaction reference. And that's it. You've withdrawn from Pocket Option straight to Cash App using the Cash App Visa card.